In this video, I will show you my latest leap call trend trading on Pinterest call option. So in this video, I will show you something differently, which I will show you my thought process since the beginning on how do I find out this trade and also why do I take this trade. Okay, so trend trading is different from what we used to do, which is day trading. Trend trading normally will take more than 1 day, and if you are doing it trading in less than 1 day, we will call it a scalping. So it will be fast. You will take profit within a few minutes. So when we open up the Pinterest weekly chart, which is weekly time frame, you can see that there's a big volume surging on the around $26 to $25, which can be classified as a demand zone. Okay, so when I say it's a demand zone, means it is my zone of interest. That is where I found there's a higher chance for it to go up, and also there's a highest volume. So volume is the fuel to a stock price. Without volume, the stock price will never go up. So when we look at the history of the Pinterest stock price, you can see that Pinterest actually came to a 90 bucks, close to a $90 on 19th of February 2021. And 1 year later, it came back down to $25, $26 range on 28th of January 2022. So it's almost close to 1 year, then only Pinterest dropped to this range. So when we open the daily chart, we can see that on 28th of January, when it entered our demand zone, it bounced off right away. It just shows us that there's a lot of unfilled order standing by, and that's how we ride the trend along with the institutional buyer. Okay, so it is what we call as a fresh demand zone, because this is the first time it came back down to this level after a large movement out. So when there is a large movement out and it never retests that price level, it shows us that there might be a lot of unfilled order standing by, even though it already has been more than 1 year or 2 years. Okay, so I have a supply zone planned out to take profit, which is my red color box you can see. However, I decided to take profit earlier. If you see at the bottom of the chart, there's a blue color symbol. It means there's a earnings coming out. So normally when there's earnings, the price will fluctuate in a bigger movement. As per my plotting, you can see I plot a red color line. That is where my entry and also my exit point. After I sold it, Pinterest price dropped in a steep direction due to Facebook disappointing earnings, and it could wipe away all my profit. It's part of the market mechanic. It's always up and down. Okay. So on this option price chart, you can see the volume on this contract is very low. So it's quite hard for you to get a better pricing when it's low volume. So it's better to use a limit price order instead of market order. Okay, and fortunately I caught the lowest and also the highest point in the recent days. It's a clean $200 profit from a $650 cost price. But all in all, I actually take this leap call out of Pinterest's attractive cash flow ability. It's an unusual profit, like I said just now, in a quick 3 days movement, and I'm happy to take the profit. Okay, so please like and subscribe to Learning Alpha for more upcoming content.